Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Today my Wi-Fi is not working well. I don't know why.
Yes, me too.
So who all are there?
Hello.
What happened?
Hello.
What happened to you?
Sumaya?
Yes, I'm
Sumaya
listening.
is
Hello,
also
Sher.
there. Welcome, Sumaya.
Thanks. How are you, Preeti?
I am all good. but my
Hi,
Wi-Fi is
Sumaya. Hi,
Hello.
Sumaya. My name is Anup.
Okay. Yeah.
good morning, Anu.
Good morning, Anup.
Good,
Good morning, all.
good morning, Didi. Good morning, Hang. Good morning, Shelly.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning.
Rahulji, good
So I
morning.
think
Good morning. Please
are we
start.
all ready to get started?
Yes. Please start.
So
Where is
some people
Shakti?
have come who have come for the first time. But this webinar, I think it will benefit them more, and it will be easier for them only who are very good at pronouns. At least they are familiar with pronouns, because there are so many things which are common between adjective and pronoun. We have many same kinds. That's why it is very important to understand pronoun before we move towards the adjective. So let's move. Please go through the definition. Though it's even if you don't understand, it's okay. I have put it over here just because I wanted to tell you, no matter how difficult the definition is, adjectives always have only one meaning. That is, they are describing or talking about nouns, sometimes pronouns also. Okay, so adjectives are something which talk about nouns or pronouns. You can see there are so many kinds and some common kinds. Can you tell me what are the common kinds as pronouns? What are the common kinds and what are the new kinds?
I think adjective of quality, number, and quantity is very common. I believe, and other than that, I think a demonstrative we have also learned in the pronoun and
So that is common. Demonstrative adjective
emphasizing.
is common.
Yes, emphasizing we have also learned in pronouns, and interrogative
Mm-hmm.
we have also we have learned in this
So
pronoun.
interrogative, emphasizing, possessive, demonstrative, distributive, they
Mhm.
all were there in pronouns.
Mhm.
The only difference is, if you remember,
Mhm.
the only difference is we will have nouns here in adjective,
Mhm.
and the rest of the adjectives are new. So I will be discussing them in detail. The first one is the adjective of quality. Let's move further. So quality, you know what? It's easy to understand because when I learned this quality, adjective of quality, then I was thinking, if somebody is good, then it is the quality. But if the color is red, what is the quality? Is it the quality? If I say I
Color.
have a red bottle, if I say I have a red bottle, then red is the quality of the bottle. Do you think so?
Yeah.
I
Red
don't
is
think so. I think
red.
that it is a kind.
It is a kind. Yes.
So sometimes quality, sometimes kind,
Hmm.
but they both will come under this category.
Hmm.
adjectives of quality have another name also, that is descriptive. So fast, you can see some examples: fast, hungry, flying, nice. Sometimes it will reply quality, sometimes it will reply the kind.
So how to decide that?
You have to, I told you, no, sometimes you will not get the answer. Like, I have a fast car.
Hmm.
So what is the quality of the car?
Okay.
Fast.
Or what is the kind of the car? You understand?
This is the quality of a car.
Sometimes you will get the answer quality, sometimes you will get the answer kind, but in both the situations it will be descriptive quality, descriptive adjective or adjectives of quality, in both the things.
Okay.
So if you have to identify adjectives of quality, you have to keep two things in mind. Sometimes it will be describing quality, sometimes it will be describing kind also. That is what you wanted to say.
Okay. Got it.
And now comes next one. That is adjectives of number, adjectives of quantity. Both are put over here. Just see.
Okay.
Adjectives of number, if it is answering how many, I mean, you can take it that way. Countable ones.
Mhm.
Countable ones will come into this category, adjectives of number, and uncountable will come under another category, that is adjectives of quantity. Like 30. 30 will come into what? Number or quantity?
Number.
Number.
Definitely.
Okay, and what about the next one?
She was
Quantity
the
means kg.
she was
1
the
kg, 2
No, no.
kg.
she was the
Second
first.
example is she was the first.
Definitely it will come under the category of numbers.
Okay, next one.
Several students refuse to be silent. I don't know. Several is now again defining the number, or because several is used for number.
They are used for number.
Hmm.
Can anybody else tell? What do you think? This is answering how many or how much? Simple.
It's
Several students
how
are the
many?
answer of how many or how much?
How many?
Rahul, I think only you can
How
speak, or
many?
others will also speak.
Okay.
How many actually?
So if
How
it is
many
answering how
students?
many, then it is adjectives of number.
Hmm.
So now next one will not come under this category. And what about the fifth one?
Every
Can you
student.
please see? Can you please see fifth one? I ate some rice.
Ate some rice and drank some water.
How many or how much?
I ate some rice.
I think how much?
Much.
How much?
How much?
So if it is answering how much, it is adjectives of quantity. I think it's clear, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Rahul, Shirley, Sumaya, and Anup will just shut their mouth. And if there are other people, please try replying this sixth. There was little milk. What do you think? How many or how much? Are other people there, or they are sleeping?
There was a little milk at the bottom of jug. There was a little. How much?
Puneet, answer that. Puneet, answer this question. If you are
Please
listening to me.
answer, because
There was a little milk
not
at the
all the
bottom
people will
of the jug.
participate. It will
How
not
much?
benefit
How
everyone.
much?
Yeah, Anup, you understood it. I know. So I will repeat: quality or kind. If we get the answer, then it will come under adjectives of quality. And how many answer will come into number, and then how much is quantity. I think it is clear this much.
Yeah.
Next one. Demonstrative and possessive. We have already discussed a lot in pronouns, and that's why all those who attended this one the last webinar. I think they will be able to answer this at least. So
Demonstrative.
one thing I'd like to mention that demonstrative, we have the same kind, we have the same work, we have the same words also, this, that, these, those. And in possessive, we have some same, some different words. But only one thing which will distinguish pronouns and adjectives, and that will be, what will be that?
Adjective says something about pronoun.
About noun, sometimes pronoun also, but see this, like if I say this is a boy, and if I say this boy is good.
Hmm. So this
So
is,
if it,
in first case,
Hmm.
it's a pronoun, and second case, it's an adjective.
Yes, so the only thing, because we have the common kinds, that's why we will have confusion. Only one thing we have to take care, that in adjective there must be some noun after these words. Like after this you can see kind is there, so kind is noun. And next one is that wire, wire is noun. Are you
Yeah.
understanding? Nouns must be there. And in
Hmm.
possessive also you
Yes.
see, after my there is car, his, that, our, job, her, books, all are nouns. After this possessive word, nouns
Okay.
must be there in adjective. You understand?
Hmm.
And
Means
if there is no noun, that means it's not adjective.
good. Quite simple.
Okay.
Hmm.
Moving towards the next slide. Now proper interrogative. Interrogative, again we have common kind. So there's nothing to understand in that. Only one thing we have to take care, nouns must be there.
Hmm.
Like which, phone, phone, game, car, book. They all are coming, that means
Book,
interrogative
pen,
adjective.
book.
But proper is something new.
Not new. Actually, you have discussed this thing in noun.
Oh, very smart. So I have already discussed in noun. Then can you please tell me
So,
if you have understood something?
common noun is a boy. If you say this boy is a common noun, but if you say the Barack Obama, then it's a proper noun, because I'm talking about a special person. Simply planet is, I think, what I remember is a common noun. And if you talk about Earth or Jupiter, then it's a proper.
Okay. But we are not discussing this.
Mhm.
To make it simple,
Mhm.
India is a proper noun.
Yes.
India is a proper noun. China is a proper noun. But if we say India, Indian, America, American.
Hmm.
So America is proper noun, and this adjective is becoming with the help of proper nouns. Actually.
Yes, that's what.
India is turning into Indian.
Yes.
America is turning into American.
Hmm.
In some books, you know what? The first kind, adjectives of quality or descriptive adjective, this proper adjective is the extension of that. Sometimes it will come into that only, but sometimes it is separated.
Okay.
But you must understand that it is formed with the help of proper nouns. So see, American, Chinese, you can see that. Marxist, you must see that there must be proper noun. And then we are forming with the help of this. Only one thing you have to keep. There is nothing, no technicality here, nothing difficult here.
Okay. No,
Now comes emphasizing.
can you go to, can you go back? Can you come back to the previous slide? Because you didn't discuss this interrogative noun. Oh, interrogative adjective.
I already discussed it. I didn't think that it's worth discussing more.
Okay,
Because
so okay, if you are thinking that in that way, so we can have it. Don't worry. Yes, please go on.
if you want, we can discuss.
Just try to this black screen skip of 8 or this. Yes. Okay.
Huh. So which, what, whose, we have the same words
Mhm.
like in interrogative pronouns. But the only thing we have to keep in mind that nouns are there. Nouns are coming after that. The only thing. Like if I say, which do you like? Which do you use? Only which we are using and no nouns are coming, then it will be interrogative pronoun.
Mm.
And just because we are putting some noun over here, like you see in all the examples you see, which phone? Phone is a noun. Which, what game? Game is a noun. Car is a noun. Book is a noun. The only thing you have to keep in mind whenever you find common kinds, only one thing you have to keep in mind: nouns must be there in adjective, but not in pronouns. Words are same, so there is no confusion.
Mm.
Interrogative is what? Asking question.
Mm.
Not all the question. See, not all the question word will come into this.
Mhm.
Only some questions.
Mm.
Which, what, whose.
Mm.
But then after that there must be some noun. Only one thing.
Mhm. Now it is quite clear. I think now it's quite clear. So you can
But
move
then
ahead.
other people are not saying anything. Then how will I come to know that they have understood it or not? Because
Yeah,
there are some
it's
who have
there.
come for the first time.
Just name them and ask question. Simply, simple solution is name them and ask question.
But I don't know how many of you are there. I cannot see.
Okay,
I
so
am not very good technology, you
Yeah,
know.
hi.
see we have
Sumaya is there, Shruti is there, Anup is there, Rahul is there.
hmm,
Shirley also.
Anita, Anoop,
And how?
and
Shirley,
Anshika is
Hang, Anita.
Hang.
Hang is also there. So but not all people are speaking. Hang, is it clear to you?
Yeah, yes.
I'm
Oh,
not elaborating much on the same kinds because I think that pronouns and adjectives we have already discussed. That's why I'm not discussing more. If you have doubt, please ask. Like Rahul asked about interrogatives, so I discussed. So then I will move further.
Mhm.
no.
So this is emphasizing, exclamatory, and distributive. Emphasizing, you'll have to pay attention over here because we have the same kinds in pronouns and the work is also same. What was the work? To emphasize, to put stress on something, right? But then we don't have the same words here. In pronoun we had self words like myself, yourself, but here you will find different words. The kind is the same, emphasizing, the name is same, even the work is same, but the words will be different. See here, own, very, actual, like that. So words will be different. So you'll have to understand this. If I say this is my own house, and if I say this is my house, both have the same meaning, no? In both the
Yes.
cases, that is my
Yes.
house. But we are emphasizing this is my own house. Anup can't take my house.
Yes.
Okay. So like you see, what is your problem and what is your actual problem? We are just emphasizing with that word. There is no other work. There is no other role of emphasizing. Only we are putting much stress on this. There are some words. If I say, uh, I left that job, and if I say I left that very job, so you can understand this very. I'd also like to mention one thing. Very is used in a different manner. Sometimes emphasizing adjective and sometimes it is like adverb also. So you must understand this. Not all the time very will be emphasizing adjective. You have to understand when it is emphasizing and when it is not emphasizing. If I say Sumaya is very beautiful, then this very is not emphasizing. This is just
Adverb.
the degree. Yeah, adverb. How beautiful she is very beautiful.
Very.
So not emphasizing. You understand that? The weather is
Okay.
cold and the weather is very cold. It's the work of an adverb. But if I say
That very moment.
that very moment, that very boy, I saw that very boy, means I saw that
Adjective
boy.
here.
Okay, yeah. So the best part and the easiest part is here. Like in emphasizing whether it's pronoun or adjective, you can always remove. You can always remove. Even if you remove, the meaning will not change. Understand that? Okay,
Yeah.
next one is exclamatory. Exclamatory, you know, when we have to express our emotions, then only this word comes. So you will get the same question word, what? But it's not working like a question, you see. It's working like it's emotion. What a blessing. What a foolishness. What a management. When we want to appreciate or anything to express emotion. Sometimes bad things also, sometimes good things also. But the only thing you have to take care that noun is there again. You see, foolishness is a noun, blessing is a noun, management is a noun. Now, in fourth question might be you will have some doubts. Like wonderful is
Yeah.
not a noun. Wonderful is not a noun. But then you have to
Yeah.
understand that after this wonderful noun is there, feeling.
Yes.
Feeling.
So noun is there, but we are describing noun also. So sometimes adjective also comes in between.
Then what is
But
adjective?
it is
Wonderful
there.
is noun.
Wonderful is
No,
also
wonderful
adjective.
is adjective. Feeling is noun.
Adjective. Oh,
Feeling is
feeling
noun.
is noun.
So
Yes.
sometimes it will not. Sometimes in some cases it will not come directly after the word, but it will be there. Like what a feeling is also correct, and what a wonderful feeling is also correct. I told you that noun must come there. That's why I'm elaborating this. That noun will be there, but sometimes in between adjective might come. See, if I ask you one question here, what a wonderful feeling. Can you describe what is an exclamatory adjective? Okay. But what is this wonderful? Wonderful is also adjective. Then what
Yeah.
kind of adjective it is? It is a different adjective.
Quality.
Yes. So sometimes another adjective will come, but then again noun will be there. So please don't get confused because of that. Okay, now distributive one, again the common one. Only one thing, noun is there. Each player is there. Now, second example. India expects every man to do his duty.
Every.
Yeah, correct.
Definitely.
And after that,
it's
man is there. So every word, again, every there. Either book. Please hang reply. Either, yeah, correct. So common words are there, but noun must be there. Should I move ahead, or do you have any question?
No question.
Okay, you can move ahead.
Okay. And now you have to speak. There is no way out. So I'll ask one by one. Kolkata is a large city.
Large.
Now Rahul. Okay, large, correct. Now Rahul, you tell me one thing. Can you describe, I mean, every parts of the speech, like what is Kolkata, what is large, what is city, kind,
Definitely.
so that
Kolkata.
I will be assured that you have understood all
Kolkata.
whatever discussed in the earlier webinars.
Kolkata is a noun. Is a verb. A is a article. Large is an adjective, and city is also a noun, I think.
Okay. So Sumaya said that large is adjective. What kind of adjective? You have to mention the kind also.
It's
Please
think
speak.
it's about the how long or what I'll say, the
Quality.
kind.
How
Quality.
big? Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, correct. Okay, another one. Hand, please reply. He is an honest man. Adjective. Where is the adjective? He is an honest man. The question is for hand. What happened?
We have 10 minutes, so please do it fast.
Yes.
Okay, then some other can reply. Honest.
Ask to Shirley. Ask to Anita.
Honest is adjective. Man is noun. He is pronoun. Is verb.
Okay, then good. Anita, the third question is for you. You have to identify only adjective and kinds also. And meanwhile, other people can see all the sentences and try to raise some question if they don't understand something, whether the adjective.
I have a
is
doubt in third one. The foolish old crow tried to.
Old crow is noun. Old crow.
Crow is
Foolish
I
old
think,
adjective.
yes.
Pronoun.
The foolish
Tried,
old crow tried
verb.
to sing. So can anybody answer that?
Yeah, I
so,
can try.
Okay,
I think the
please try.
foolish old, it's adjective, and crow is
Yeah.
noun. Then it's the foolish old. The foolish old say something about crow, so it's adjective. And tried is verb.
Very good.
To do a preposition, sing, it's noun. No, sorry, verb.
Sing is
Okay.
verb. It's very clear. Grammar is very clear to you, Sumaya. But then
Yeah.
Rahul's question, I think that foolish and old both are coming together. No.
Yes.
It happens like that. There can be more than two sometimes.
Okay.
4 or 5 things will be there.
That is why it
But
is.
then foolish and old both have the kinds. Kinds, can you say?
Yes.
Yeah.
Foolish is, I think, foolish is kind of deciding the quality, and old is, I think, deciding the kind.
So in both the same adjectives of quality, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then please move towards 15 number question. I have taught you many things, but you don't want to learn anything, what to do. I have taught you many things. Where is the adjective here?
I have taught you many things. In 15 or in this?
Many.
15, I think.
These books are.
Yes.
I have taught you many things. Many.
No.
Many.
Yes.
Okay. Many, then please tell the kind also.
Quantity.
Quantity, okay. Anita, what do you think?
Yeah, I don't think so. Many is. I think
numeral. Sorry, numeral. It will be numeral.
No, there is.
What did I tell you? If it is
I missed up
countable,
before.
It is countable, then it's
Okay.
number, and it is
It's
uncountable.
number. If it is not countable,
It's quantity, right? Because it is countable.
Yes, it's number.
It is not quantity. It is number.
Numeral.
Numeral. Yes.
Number.
Yes, Sumaya, you are right.
Okay.
Guys, you please ask question. Then only I can help. Because some people, I think they are clear, but some people have doubt, and some people are not even speaking up. We have limited time, so please ask.
We have 6 more minutes, so please ask question. I think you can take only 2 or 3 questions, max to max 2.
Now you can just see the sentences and please raise your doubts so that I can describe any sentence if you have doubt.
19.
Or any other question if you have in mind.
There are several mistakes in your exercise. If anybody can find the adjective and
there are several mistakes in your exercise.
Several is
But
an
it's a
adjective.
request. Other people also there, but they are not asking. This is they'll go with their doubts.
Hmm.
Okay, there are several mistakes in your exercise.
Hmm.
Where are the adjectives?
Several.
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 Only one adjective is there.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
They are,
John.
sorry, they are. They are.
No, there is not adjective.
There is a pronoun.
Several.
Please leave there for the time
Your
being.
exercise. Your is adjective.
Yeah.
So,
Yes,
adjective.
yes. So several and your, but
Mhm.
kind. Please tell me the kind also.
Your is possessive.
Your is possessive. Very
Hmm.
good. And what about several?
Numbers.
Numbers, because it is countable. Mistakes, that's countable.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Numerical adjective.
Now take one more question and then we have to close this meeting.
23.
Is there?
Yes, 4 minutes is there.
Yes, 23 number. What
23.
manner
yeah,
of man is he?
Hmm.
Here is adjective. Which one?
What manner of man is
Manner.
he? Yes,
Manner.
I will not reply. Yes.
Manner. I think manner. It say
Manner.
What,
something about
what
the
is
man.
manner?
What?
What is manner?
Oh, what?
Manner is a noun, I think, abstract noun.
Manner is a noun.
But adjective?
Adjec-
What?
You have to
What or-
reply. I don't
Adjective is
have to
what?
reply.
Adjective is what?
Okay, and tell me the kind.
It is
Interrogative.
interrogative.
Interrogative. Yes.
Yeah,
very good.
interrogative adjective.
Yes.
Okay, no. What to do? I will share this PPT in the group.
Yes, please share.
Yeah,
Man is
sure.
And
stronger than you.
share this PPT with me also, because these are very wonderful PPT.
There is 16 number. This man is stronger than you.
Hmm.
Okay.
Comparative adjective, stronger.
I have not discussed comparative, but that is not the kind of adjective. That is the degree. We are not discussing
Yeah.
degree. You are correct. You are correct. That is stronger the adjective. But what about another one? Is there any other adjective here?
Quality.
Now, is there any other adjective?
This.
This is
Yes.
demonstrative.
Very good. Very good, Sumaya.
Okay,
You
Preeti,
should be
now.
attending every webinar and you should be present.
Okay, Preeti, now you have to close this session. Just say thanks, please. Otherwise, it will be cut.
Thank you, and please go through this PPT, and please you can have your questions in the group also. But for that you have to go through PPT.
Can you go
Thank
to the
you very
last
much.
slide, because I made it very difficult. See.
Okay. We have
Hi.
new. Hi.
Thank you guys all whosoever are present here.
Thanks, Preeti.
Thanks.
But I will
Bye.
tell more thank you if you come with your doubts and if you please go through PPT.